Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chat in Gmail. So here I've already opened my Gmail, and then if you want to use the Google Chat on your Gmail, you need to go to the settings option at the top of your Gmail, and then click on see all settings. And then here at the top there is several tabs, and you need to go to the chat and meet option. Just click on that, and then here on the chat you need to activate the Google Chat. Just click on the circle right here, and then click on save changes. Okay, just wait until the Gmail has successfully reload. Okay, so as you can see here, the chat tab will appear at the left panels. Let's just get started, and then you can just start chat with a friend, do more as a group, and also talk face to face using the Google Chat feature. Okay, so that's all from me. That is how you can use the Google Chat in Gmail. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial.